Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a book wrote by Roald Dahl, and it has been passed from generation to generation since 1964. Although this movie is based on a lot of things, today we're not talking about the book. We are going to talk about the 2005 movie directed by Tim Burton and starring Johnny Depp. This is one of the greatest animation movies for kids or adults. But why a movie based on a story for kids will be fit for adults? Well, it's because of the great mind of Tim Burton. He created a way to present a kid's story also appealing for adults. With his dark and goth style and double sense to the script, but also with the animation. This story has a very big transcendence with kids and families around the world. Candy companies around start making treats with Wonka's name. Plays and adaptations of the book with the style of the 2005 movie were made. But most important, most kids around the world know the story from their parents or their grandparents. But also, for this amazing movie, after the 2005, more kids present knowledge about this movie. Well, I hope you like the space, and if you really like it, stay tuned for next week's complete review on this awesome movie. Thank you very much.
One thing was absolutely certain. Life had never been so